So guys, if you want to restore your deleted messages over on WhatsApp, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. And let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so first of all, right here, all you need to do first of all, head over to your WhatsApp. Now one thing that I want to mention here, if you want to restore the deleted messages, so you must have a backup for those messages. So right here, first of all, go to your settings. In here, you're gonna go to chats. So under chat, click on chat backup, and all the backup will be saved on your Google account, and whenever you want, you can restore the messages. Alright guys, so once you have done with that, now I'm gonna go to Google Play Store. And I'm gonna delete my WhatsApp. And I'm gonna reinstall it. In here you can see right here I've got a pop-up that looking for backups, and here you can see from here I can easily restore my deleted messages. Once I click restore, it will restore all the messages from my Google account which we have saved before. And you can see I got all the chats back. This is basically how you can restore deleted messages over on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching.